We're back now with Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin. It is State Fair time.
It is. We are in August. It's such a great time of year. The State Fair is starting. Everyone has fresh garden produce, and that pairs perfectly with Wisconsin cheese.
So what are we making today?
Well, this month we're featuring all Wisconsin State Fair winners, and they are the blue cheese winners that if you visit the State Fair, you can actually go in the Wisconsin Products Pavilion and see all the winners. So there's over 500 entries and a lot of great winners. So we have a barbecue chicken chopped salad that features the V&V Supremo Queso Blanco cheese, which was one of the first place winners. We have that right here in front. You see it on the salad. It's cut in little batons. It's a white Hispanic style cheese, extremely popular even to make sauces and dips with as well. So you can see how fresh this salad is, lots of fresh color. It has some grilled chicken on it, that there's some barbecue sauce that was brushed on, barbecue sauce and peach jelly. And then there's fresh sweet corn, which everybody loves this time of year. Radishes, jalapeno peppers, peaches, there's green onions and lots of great flavor. And then the two types of Wisconsin cheeses. You notice there's almost like every color of the rainbow on there.
I love that.
So if you have a garden or a local farmer's market, so like I said, we have one serving of the Queso Blanco cheese, and then one of our favorites is the Queso Quesadilla cheese, which is a great cheese for salads. It melts beautifully. It's made by V&V Supremo that not only won first place at the Wisconsin State Fair, but first place at the American Cheese Society, the World Cheese Championship contest. Every time there is a cheese contest, you'll notice V&V in first place.
Well, and that's one of those cheeses that goes with just about everything, too.
Yeah, and you can find it at almost every single grocery store in the Madison area. If you look closely at the package, you'll notice there's the Proudly Wisconsin cheese logo. You'll notice it's also made by a Wisconsin master cheesemaker. They have two plants, one in Browntown and one in Arena, Wisconsin. And you'll also notice that World Championship winner. So nothing but the best. You know, it's an award winner made by a master and always included on your table. And it's such a great story. So 60 years ago, the family from V&V Supremo immigrated here from Mexico, and they've been making cheese for over 60 years, and they're really proud of their family tradition that they have.
Oh, a lot of rich history there. What a perfect time for all the fresh produce coming in play,
so get out to the farmer's market, get your fresh flowers, get your fresh produce, and pair that with award-winning Wisconsin cheeses.
Love it. Where can folks find the recipe?
You can find the recipe on wisconsincheese.com. You can learn more about all of our cheesemakers, pairings, and our recipes.
All right, Angie Edge, thank you as always. Appreciate it.